My God. That sounded kinda sussy. Mate, we're back though, chat. What's good, everybody? Sirski. Alright, everybody. We are live. We are live in the studio. I'm looking for shorts here, chat. Instead of longs, I'm looking for shorts. I see more near to the short downside, right into the upside. Why am I not looking for longs? All we have is daily, daily range discount area. Got tag 120 and chai over the weekly shares to the upside. We have nothing else but that. So I'm looking for short. Look at this shorty, motherfucker. Oh, he's like, hey, bro, he's scared the shit out of me. Guy scared the shit out of me. Guy got scared me, you know what I'm saying? Oh, did you think that was scary? And all my goal for the day for this whole next couple months is to build good habits, prioritize the skill over profits, and be satisfied by building habits. I'm satisfied every time I do build good habits in a day. I'm looking for a model number 1 on this trade right over here. I'm looking for a model number 1. We do have this the viscous tab. We can get possibly a hey. I don't know if the cat taking a shit there. Oh no, somebody else. I'm thinking, bro. Alright, I thought something happened, dog. But we're looking for a model number 1. If this could be the model number 1, we could have the opportunity to sell right above the opening price, like not above it, but near it. You get as model number 1. Let's see the stop loss flip on this. We're gonna have a 2.9. So let's go do it 3 times. Take profit right over here. First take first an initial take profit, which is the below. You get a 3-point RR, okay, which is very nice. This could be this is right here. It's a more riskier of a trade, by the way. Keep in mind. And our goal is to go down here and all the way here as our last goal. Which the RR is very unrealistic, but that's where we're trying to go to, right? Actually changed now. It's gonna go for smaller number 1. But if it does have the body, we can't take the body here. So if it's from here, our stop loss is gonna be there still. I was gonna be decreased by a lot. I'm looking for a New York continuation, chat. That's what I'm looking at, chat. I'm looking for a New York continuation. Why am I looking for this hourly CRT instead of the 4-hour CRT? Why am I looking for this hourly CRT instead of the 4-hour? Keep in mind is because it's a near continuation. Near continuation like to do that hourly, and it's 8 a.m. For a near continuation, we could trade starting from 8 a.m. right over here, right? You can see this trade happened at 8 a.m. Other trade, what was the other trade that happened at 8 a.m. as well? This one here happened at this trade right over here happened at 8 a.m. as well. Not 8 a.m. but somewhere there. Trade over here happened at 8 a.m. So that's why we want to be trading. So if your new situation starts from 8 a.m., that's why we're looking for a trade here. See if we're gonna get a setup here. See the RR on this trade. See if the RR matches the to go. Hey! Yikes, I can't take the trade because that's the body of this candle. Trade, I can't take it because that's the body of this auto block. So this is the kind of type that this is the kind of that supply that's here to high. 101 happened with the body. I can't take this trade right over here. So yeah, I can't take it because initial take profit. He offers us a 1.9 or I can't even take the R to even match. So I won't be taking this until the market gives me another different entry here. Trade, I'm not gonna be taking it. Let's see if we get another purge happening here because that right there taps a body. So I don't take bodies here unless it's a consecutive candle. Oh my god. Man. It's 8:32. We still have another 30 minutes to the candle closure. So we're still gonna have like a 30 minute to respect this candle. Uh, so let's see. Let's see if the market's gonna press out this high and give us another motor one entry here. Cause this one, hell no, I ain't taking this shit. Taking that shit. Shit. Shot. Shot. Oh yeah, it hasn't even tapped it. Give me a gun and shoot my head. It's too hot. I'm looking for a short. Yo, what's good, my boy Trader? What's good, G? What's good, my blood? What I say my blood for? That's kind of. Yo, caught that shorting on short? Hell yeah, man. What about you? Are you looking for shorts or longs, man? Y'all caught that trade on London session? That trade was fire, man. To the downside, right over here. Third candle. You would have probably have to enter dry straight out of the third candle, but there's gonna be no O to E here. Yikes, there's no O to E here. Just rallied. There would have been no entries. I'm bullish, bro. Yeah, because the London session highs and the Asian session highs are protected. I'm bearish, bro, because let me tell you why I'm bearish, right? I mean, you could go based out of your bullish, right? But I think you have an entry already on this trade right over here, right? If you were to enter the trade somewhere here, you would have not entered that trade because of the Asian lows were protected. But the reason I'm bearish here, bro, is because the weekly candle, right? We're the 4th week of the month, right? First week, you can see this month was expansion, huge expansion, huge range. If I get the candle here, let me get the range. This candle right over here, right? That's the monthly candle. We can see the monthly candle, right? This is the low, this is the high, which is all over here. That's a huge range. So the fourth week of the month is usually a retracement profile, right? It usually has to close in a fair price. Market did a big action, big candle to the upside, needs to close in a fair price. And as well, without that, let me go ahead and change it real quick. What else do I have here? What else do I see? I see a weekly CFT to the downside, another weekly CFT to the downside. On a daily, we have a daily ERL right over here to IRL. We have a daily CFT to the downside. We have another daily CFT to the downside. We have nothing else, but for the bullishness, all we have is a weekly CFT to the downside. Daily range, the discount area got tapped. We're going to daily range high, and that's it. Nothing else. Right? That right there is not a, you know what I'm saying? That right there is not a entry for me. No legit low sweep. Not that's why no entry, bro. Oh, let me see on this low right over here. Let me see if there's a legit low here. I mean, on this, you would have not entered this trade. This trade, if you would have entered, you would face a loss because, bro, is the different is the timing of the approach is ass, and there's not a legit low. So market made this other low right over here. You would have not been this low. It would have been this slow. Yeah, that we were looking for a purge. After that, market never gave you an entry. Market eventually purged out any. Market eventually after this purged out a lot of lows here. So this right over here is valid, bro. This entry right over here is valid. I mean, you would have not even entered a trade until the market gets down here, right? You would have not even entered a trade until the market gets down to that opening price of the week. You can see you would have avoided all of this until the market is here. Once the market taps this, now you're looking for entry here, right? Now you would have had to entry the lat at 8 o'clock. But I'm not looking for shorts. I'm looking for longs here. You guys could enter the long. He could definitely go in a win, right? But my bias is I'm bearish. Your bias is bullish, bro. You gotta stick to your bias, right? But yeah, man, that's why I'm looking for a short. Yeah, there was a legit low right over here. That's why the market did give us a good reaction. This could be a expansion, reversal, retracement, expansion, right? This was the last retracement profile. Market went above it, so that's a green sign right over there for a reversal. I think this is too low. Oh, gotta be like that. You keep in mind we do have an S&P that version with a call-it pair, but this is to me I'm bearish, man. I'm looking for shorts instead of longs here. Lakers could definitely be looking for a short. You know what I'm saying? You can see it over here that this small number one that offered as he failed because he tapped the body, right? We don't do bodies until market gives a consecutive candle here. But yeah. We have another 20 minutes until this hourly candle closure, right? If this hourly candle does not give us a entry, looking for the 4-hour and the next hourly candle to be giving us another CRT entry here. I'm looking for a near continuation. If I'm bearish, I want, for my narrative on the 4-hour time frame, if I'm bearish, I want agency to make the high of day or London session to make the high of day. So I'm looking for a near continuation. We have a range high got purged, right? We're going to range low. We as well had a daily range. Market purged out a low, purged out a high, stable, low. And eventually market were right when the daily range got created, market were already in a premium zone. So market, you can see how the candle was so big because we're in a premium, right? Eventually, right when that happened, now we're looking for a what are we looking for? We were already in premium, so don't look at automatically because the daily range is low, which is the daily CRT low as well. And our next goal is all down here, all the way down here, and that's the last goal. But let's see if I get an entry here. If I see the entry here, I'm taking it. I'm probably gonna lose, but I'm not here to be emotional. I'm here to strictly follow my trading rules. If it says, yo, you win a loss, you win a loss, right? As simple as that. I'm not gonna get in here be complicating it, right? My rule says to get in. Right after this market confirmation happens, then I'm gonna get in, right? But from market profile, what do we have here? To me, my perspective, it's gonna be a retracement, expansion, reversal, retracement, expansion, tapping high. Now this tap the higher tapping key level, which is the hourly breaker block, right? Eventually looking for a expansion, retracement, expansion, reversal, retracement, expansion, right? I'm waiting for that 1 hour to close. Yes, sir, man. Sometimes you gotta keep in mind, sometimes the market will not retrace. Keep that in mind, bro. Sometimes the hourly time will not retrace. You can see sometimes the new continuation happens at 8 a.m., right? You can see the last time. Let me show you some example here. Where was it at? Right over here, new continuation happened at 8 a.m., right? And market never retraced. And this other one right over here, oh, that's not that example. New continuation happened at 8 a.m. and the 9 a.m. just continued to the upside. So the new continuation usually happens at 8 a.m. Sometimes it could happen at 7 a.m., but that 7 a.m. is way too risky. You're gonna face a lot of losses. But let's see. I'm looking for a trade here. Let's see if I can get a right, SOR ratio on number one. Okay, so stop loss 6 pips stop loss. Yeah, actually, it doesn't look like I'm gonna give us the right RR here. Yeah, not a right RR. Or RR right over here. Nope. 1.58 RR. I can't take it. Shit. Let's see, but let me still put it down here as a 6 pip stop loss. So we'll get another trade here. Okay. See, I can't take this trade because the RR is off on this trade. The RR is there's not the RR. The RR is not there. It's not a 2 RR trade. Because my take profit one is here. The last take profit is all the way down here, which offers us a KP1 just down here too. Last and final take profit is all the way down here. Over here gives an 11 RR, but I can't take it unless our initial take profit is a 2 RR. Let's see the market gonna reverse here look, because if it doesn't reverse, it's kind of bad, bro. This right here could offer us a 2 RR here, right? That right there could offer us a 2 RR. Let's see what the market does here. This is the right here is the retracement phase. So if you can go below this, you'll be confirmed as a reversal. Let's see. Does it can it close above this candle? If you can close above that body as a Q. Kinda gay, bro. Yeah, I won't be able to take it. Let me see if I put my stop loss right on there. Yikes. Yeah, 1.6 RR. That's tough. That's tough. Let's see though. Yeah, this shit going down. What the face? Oh wow. So he was just small number one, bro. We are in a range in 1 hour. Hell yeah, man. I see this range right over here. Market create a high and create a low. Isn't it a range? Yes, it is in a range. But you gotta keep in mind the range. I don't know if this your range or this your range. It's gonna be subjective, right? It's subjective. So you have to go based out of the CRT highs and low. And it is this right over here. This range high is the higher time from CRT high. So that is like a kind of an objective way because for the 4 hour narrative for the range dynamic, it's very difficult to tell. Okay, this is my range high or this is my range low. We can tell it if that's actually your range. If you look for the higher time frame, so look at the daily or even look at the weekly. Is this my range high on the weekly time frame? I mean, not weekly. What's the range high? Is this my weekly range high or daily range? Daily CRT high or weekly CRT high. If it's not okay, that's not our range, right? That's why you avoid. If you were to pick this one, you would avoid this high and this high. All of these highs we would avoid and just primarily focus on this high because that's high is the higher time from CRT high, right? So keep that in mind too. Let's see. Let's see. What's your higher time frame narrative? Currently, this we have a range high, range low. Keep in mind, this is not the only range here. We have a range high, another range, right? I was first bullish, but right when I saw this going up here, I was eventually became bearish because you gotta adapt, right? So range high right over here, this range to this range. Why we're picking this range right over here to the higher type of CRT? This range to this range. We're picking this range, the higher type of CRT low. We're picking this range to this range because the higher time frame CRT low, higher type of CRT high, weekly CRT high, weekly CRT low, right? That's why we're picking that. And you can see, chat. I told you guys right over here, range dynamic, right? Why does it go all over here? Last week I said we want to go all the way here. Why? Simply range low got suit. Why does it our range? Because our daily CRT low. Yes, it got disrespected, but guess what? The ranges are subjective, right? Range low got suit. We going to range high. Guess what happened? Big ass dick candle, right? This is not from a news or anything. It's just barely primarily out of you know what is it called in English? What the market's gonna do, right? Just that's not a problem. I'm not gonna take this trade because this offers me less than 2 RR chat. I'm looking for a at least a 2 RR or above in order for me to take any trade here. So let's see who's gonna get disrespected. I wanna wait till the next range, next 9 a.m. candle then. Because if I do it right now, this offers me less than 2 RR, so I can't even take it here. So let's see. Market did go below this other glow, so keep in mind that retracement profile got disrespected, so that's not a good sign for a bullishness. Yeah. Look, is my shit still hurting? Did I fight yesterday, chat? I don't. Yeah, I did, bro. Look at this, chat. Wrestling. Tweaking like, what's my arm hurting for? I ain't do nothing. Oh, I did go to the gym. I hit some. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna take the trade. It offers me less than 2 RR, so let's see if we can get a better entry here. If the market could potentially give us another soup, giving us that entry, but not looking for nothing yet. Not looking. Shit is off. Shit. Nothing here. Tweak. No, you know what time it is, chat? It's time for some shoulder press. Arms are kind of cold right now. I need to get a Rama. Ah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It should be like 60, I think. That's good enough to make my arms warm though, cause my arms are kind of tweaking. Let's see if we can get a 2-hour trade here. This is our initial goal. Scared anymore. And these games me anymore. Yeah. Let's see. Oh yeah, gotta. Oh, skinny just. Let's see. This could be a expansion, retracement, expansion, tap health, forgivable, retracement, expansion. This is right over here does not tap the higher typing body of the breaker block, so this kind of tap the higher typing body of the breaker block. Reversal, retracement. Right here could be a retracement over here. Expansion. We may not be able to get a trade today, but yeah. Let's see though. Let's see. Are you in short? Not yet, man. This does not offer me a 2RR, so I'm not gonna take this trade unless the market goes back up, gives you another entry here. Right now, it looks like I'm not gonna take a trade here. A 2 hour per trade may give me less trades because sometimes I may miss trade like last time. This right over here, I missed it because huge ass moved to the upside. So the initial take profit did not offer me a 2 hour, but it's safe, right? Because that would tell me, okay, I'm guaranteed at least a 1 hour per take profit, right? Or at least 2 hour, right? Because I need a 2 hour per trade because of a 40% win rate, right? If I don't get that, you know what I'm saying? I won't be doing good. Last week there was an S&P diversion with GP took the previous high, but you did it. Yeah, that you can see it still went up, right? That's why you guys gotta stop focusing on S&P divergence that happen in a higher time frame. The only time I care about S&P divergence that happens in the 4 hour time frame. That's the only time I care about it. 4 hour or hourly. Usually for S&P divergence is considered to be used in the, how can I say it? It's considered to be used in the intraday market conditions, right? It's not supposed to be used in a daily or above. The only time you're supposed to use it in a daily or a monthly or anytime the only time you're supposed to look for a higher time from like daily or weekly, that's only if you're an investor, right? On the daily or the monthly, right? Or let's just say like on the weekly, shit, like on the weekly, right? Like I saw the high getting taken out as well, but I don't really care about that because it did not happen in a 4 hour time frame, right? The reason I don't like to, care about it is simply because I'm not a swing trader, right? I'm not an investor. I'm currently a trader, right? So that right there does not bother me. And that S&P divergence is very weak. So you have to look for a confirmation after confirmation. You have to look for even you have to look for a higher time frame S&P divergence, right? That's why people who use higher time frame SMT usually mess up a lot, because it messes up with your bias and narrative, right? Like, based on my experience, man. At 9 o'clock just opened. See if we're gonna get a retracement here, man, because I'm gonna enter this trade if I don't get a 2RR. Even in DXY, yeah, that's what I talk about, man. That's what I'm talking about. You gotta focus on ranges, like how I said, man. You currently trade ranges, right? You trade ranges without even knowing. You know what I'm saying, you buy the range low of the position or sell the range high of the position, right? That's basically range trading here, right? Like those ranges, you gotta have the right range here, right? Because the only time oh, there's a range is only with the position or London position, right? To me it's different. To me it's like, back in a chart, I have to look like this, right? This move up that happened today, literally to the upside, range low got souped, we're going to the range high. This market made a bearish candle and bullish candle. Right when it makes a bearish and a bullish candle, it's automatically considered to be in a range. That's why you want to be, I'm saying, using ranges as a vector. As you guys know, a swing high takes out liquidity, while a swing low takes out liquidity. A random candle does not generate any liquidity. A high and a low generates liquidity and does not produce liquidity, right? That means there's orders there. That's how you know the markets are controlled by highs and lows, right? Bullish candle is like here, over here is liquidity, over here is liquidity, right? Market pushes the range low. This is a fake manipulation. Eventually pushes right up to the range high, right? Simple as that. Even the lower time frame, the 15-minute time frame matters a lot to me as well because at the CRT low, if that's not a legit low, the CRT low, I'm not gonna take the trade because markets are controlled by highs and lows. That's why you guys see, like, ranges being so successful, right? That's why you guys see everybody talk about, oh, like, even, ICT talks about ranges a lot, right? He usually, I think recently he hasn't been using it. I don't even watch his YouTube videos, but what I saw when I used to watch him, he used to always trade ranges. Agency high got purchased, he used to sell. London low got purchased to buy because of New York reversal profile, right? Like, ranges. Because every 4 hour candle makes a new range. Every 4 hour candle is a range. Every 4 hour candle makes a manipulation range. Every 4 hour candle makes an expansion range, right? My boy GU is probably gonna purchase out the CRT high of the 5 a.m. Well, GU is not. But let's see. We get the right risk to reward ratio to this high, man, because she's not looking good, bro. But as well could have a KOD here. Like, it looks very obvious to be a KOD to this low. But not all the way here, though. But today my drone liquidity already got tabbed. That's in my market forecast video, right? That my drone liquidity was here, and market just tapped it instantly. So I'm looking for shorts, right? I gotta adapt. But let's see if we're gonna at least get a fucking retracement, get another soup here. I ain't taking it. I'm not taking what you're offering, bro. Right over here, I think we could have a standard deviation on this trade. Wrong way. So none of them match each other. This one matches with this. But my fuck all that. Fuck all that. Fuck all that. Hey, come on, man. Push up, man. Give him a better entry, bro. Just give him money. See, I can't be emotional. If I be emotional, I'm gonna fuck up my rules, man. Gotta be focused on building good habits. I'm gonna go in the market. I don't care if it goes on a win or loss. I have to focus on building good habits because my habits are actually making me money, right? And yeah, I think last week I just got out of guard, bro. I just got caught off guard. I did not focus on the process, man. But that just fucked me up, man. I mean, I wasn't emotional at all, but so I got out of track. Mark doesn't care about emotions. Yeah, man, but you gotta care about your emotions, man. You gotta stop, you know what I'm saying? The market goes down, you're happy. When it goes up, you're happy, even happier. I mean, humans are always gonna feel emotions, just that we can't just act upon it, right? I could be cold, but I could feel happy, right? I could be happy, but I'm still cold, right? You know what I'm saying? You just can't express your emotions because in life, especially back in the days, in like 1900s, if you're emotional, they can use that shit against you. They're gonna go fuck your ass up. Because back then, the business is different, right? And back then, in like 1900s or the 90s, in the 90s, the business is all about like mafia and shit. Like, man, you ain't no gangster. What's the narrative? Bearish. The narrative is basically a range high got purged. We go into the range low, which is all over here, as well here, as well here, as well as we have a near continuation. If I'm bearish, I want Asian high to be the high of the day, or London session high to be the high of the day, right? In this case, Asian is the high, so I'm looking for a near continuation. What else do I have here? I have the higher time to the downside as well, and that's it. That's enough. As well, if a daily range market pressure at a low, pressure at a high, daily range high got tapped. Market made a stable high, stable low. I want to carry the daily range. We're already in this premium area, so John Lucky automatically becomes the daily range low, which is down here, as well as that's enough. The order flow is bullish, but we're looking for a short-term push down to the downside. For a bearish order flow, market needs to go all down here, which I'll doubt that will happen. It could definitely happen. I'm not gonna go based out of what I feel like what I'm not gonna do. I'm gonna go based out of the market, not me, right? Let's see if we're gonna get a push right back up above this high, go right back down, give us an entry here. I can't take a trade right over here. I can't take it. Offers me less than 2 RR. Let's see, let's see. This fucking chair is uncomfortable, bro. I ain't fuck with this shit. Have you watched ex Goldman Sachs trader interview? Man, fuck that guy, man. Man, that guy's a fake ass interview. That guy has gray hair in his 30s, bro. Fuck out of here, bro. I'm not trying to be like you, man. I'm trying to be like you. I'm not trying to be like you, man. Hell no. That nigga look depressed, bro. Hell nah. Hey, bro, you could have that Goldman Sachs trader ass back to your thing. He probably made that up too, bro. X, hell no, bro. Joe, ass on. He talking about which country has the best traders, bro. That's so irrelevant. He's all about mindset, bro. Goofy ass. Fucking gray hair had ass in his 30s, bro. He be looking at. He looks like he's 30, but he looks like he's fucking 80, bro. Hate that motherfucker. The only trader I watch is me, man. It's me. It's either me or ICT. I even barely watch ICT right now. He be yapping too much, bro. He be like, you know what I'm saying, building new confidence. Try to bring new fucking concept that doesn't even work. He says like the algorithm's gonna change soon. Get the fuck out of here. I'm gonna change the algorithm. Chat. I'm gonna change the algorithm. But I don't know, bro. That's what I see. That's what I'm seeing right now currently. I haven't watched it, so I asked. Saw him YouTube short. Yeah, these guys are fucking scummy bags, bro. Even Alex G, you guys know Alex G, the guy who has a Bugatti, bro. He uses his own people, bro. He used 72,000 people in his Telegram to get into a broker that he owns, or he's a huge partnership, and all the liquidity they lose, it goes back to him. Even if he loses 4 trades, he lost 4 trades in a row. Even if he loses trades, he's gonna make money because of this fucking people who are getting it, right? You know how they say in the Wolf of Wall Street, how brokers are like, hey, I don't care if the money goes up, down, or consolidating. I'm gonna make money out of the people who get in because they're addicted, right? So people who watch him, he just don't follow. He's just scam. This is scummy ass. He scam his own people, bro. It's crazy. You can never trust anybody in this industry, man. It's hard to just trust people, bro. You got one guy scamming his own people. You got a guy who think he's an ex Goldman Sachs. Set your ass up, man. If you're Goldman Sachs, how the hell you got fired, boy? You got fired, man. You know you got fired, man. That's what happened, bro. Cause you're ass. Are all ICT traders are real? Fuck no. The guy who says like ICT's telling him he's my best student. That guy was selling drugs, bro. He was scamming his own people. That way he doesn't even have fucking proof that he's an actual trader. He does courses, bro. Get out of here, man. The only people that are real are the people who offer value. He offers value, but guess what? He does not. His value is ass. That's not gonna turn you profitable, bro. Casper, hell yeah, I think it's that guy, bro. People think he's the best trader. He's actually his best favorite trader. Get your ass on. Even the female girl scams her people ass, bro. She scams her own people. Like, come on, man. I'm not gonna be arguing people because I knew these motherfuckers a long time ago, man. I watched them. I was like, yo, these guys are scumbags, bro. TGR is even worse, bro. He rugged his own people in the live stream. He literally rugged his people on the live stream, bro. Rugged. 1.5K, and the profit he had just shut down, as well as the profit he gets, right? But the 1K account, he gives you a 100K account after you pay 1,500 to his course, which is not gonna turn you profitable. He literally gives you indicators on the thing, right? It's not gonna turn you profitable, bro. And that's what he do, bro. You know what I mean? That 100K is fake money. Even if you pass it, he's not gonna pay you out. Scams, bro. Who's Daniel trades? Hell yeah, man. Everybody, most of them are scams, bro. Like the people like ICT, he's not a scam because ICT, he's a goat. Because how to say it, how the quote goes like this, right? I taught you what I wait. You know what I taught you to know, right? So that means you don't know the whole thing. But ICT right now just bragging too much, man. He just fucking doing too much of those market paradigm manipulation, whatever that shit's called. And you can never trust anybody here, man. It's hard to trust. You can't even trust me. I mean, be like, oh, I'm a scam. I'm gonna scam you guys' ass. I mean, no, I'm gonna scam somebody, bro. I'm literally getting rugged left and right from Argentina. I got rugged from the president of Argentina, bro. Like, how am I gonna, bro? If I want to rug somebody, I just got a rug from somebody else, bro. I hate that shit. While all the people make courses and sell, you can get it in for free. In ICT YouTube channel, people for that like that, right? If they made it free, they will never get any viewers, right? That's why I don't get no viewers, right? If I go make it, paid, if I go do paid mentorship right now, I'll get a lot of views, bro. I'll get a lot of people get into I'll make a lot of money, right? Because people are like, they have a sense of, if it's free, it's not that valuable, right? That's why they don't value ICT, right? That's people don't watch the ICT because it's free. If there's something paid in there, like, oh yeah, this is paid, yeah. I'm a big guy, I'm a cool ass guy because I paid for a course, which is not gonna turn me profitable, right? Because it's just like mindset trick people do, right? People think that if it's free, it's not trusted. If it's paid, it's trusted. But even the paid ones are worse than the free ones. My free one is better than most of the paid ones. You know what I'm saying? It's like I see like all the paid ones. You know what I'm saying? Why, you guys see why, like, Romeo put his stuff to a paid one. Now the reason he put it as a paid course is simply because people value it way more. They take it way more serious, right? If it was free, he'll get, you know what I'm saying? There's gonna be a lot of haters, right? The only way you can hate him is by buying his course, right? Which gets him paid. I get it. Their students are making courses. Yeah, man. Like, a course is like, if you were to do a mentorship, okay, fine. Mentorship is better than a course. If you were to do a course, man, it's, Marcus Douglas, that bro. I know that guy. He talks about some psychology shit. I don't fuck with that guy. I don't even know, bro. I barely watch, man. All I know, man, I'm drawing some lines, I'm drawing some boxes, and I'm making money, right? I don't care about me looking at this guy. Oh my goodness, this guy made $1 billion. This guy made a $1.4 billion. He's crashed the whole market, right? I don't give a shit about that. Like, you guys have your own life, right? After this live stream, you have to go on with your life. Enjoy your life, man. Watching somebody else's lifestyle is ain't it, bro. Watching Tanja Trace or whatever the people are, ugly ass female, bro. Fuck out of here. She's ugly as shit, bro. I'm tweaking out, dog. Hey, let me calm down. I'm ugly as fuck too, but, like, you know what I'm saying? What I got? I got a Long Johnson. Okay. But as I said, man, most of them are scammers. I literally, one time I was in a point where I would even enter the giveaways. Although I did not need the money, I went to the giveaways, right? And they would never do the giveaway. They would never pay it out. When they pay it out, they got their own fucking alt account. Like, it's crazy. Even on a giveaway, bro, you're that hungry, they want to make you money. You do not want to give your money away. That's like, you don't even want to do a donation or a charity, bro. You're crazy, bro. Greedy. You know how the guy said, you're a greedy belly. You know what I'm saying? But the market is going down, man. I mean, whoever's taking this long, man, you want to check your bias again, man. Don't look for a long when there's a sell program. When a sell program started, don't look for a long here, man. Don't buy. If it's a long program there, don't look too short. But yeah, our bias is correct, man. We have this entry right over here. As I told you guys, man, for New York situation, he does not like to You know what I'm saying? It does not like to retrace. I mean, for the new situation, it happens at 8 a.m. going on forward, right? It starts at 8 a.m. You can see how the market did not go all the way back over here. 8 a.m. was on to start it off. He may go back up, but this looks like he's gonna high likely go down here, right? And I can't take it because less than 2 RR here. But yeah, keep that in mind, chat, man. Most of these guys are fucking bummy scumbags. Like, even if you guys like subscribe to them, unsubscribe to them, bro. All I wanna say, man. The only person you should be subscribed to is me and ICT. I don't fuck with nobody else, man. Like, psychology wise, bro, you could just ask me questions, man, for psychology, bro. I got you the answer to you guys. Psychology's not the problem. But the most important part of psychology is by focusing on building good habits and being satisfied. Because yes, you build a good habit, but if you're not satisfied from it, you're like, ah, man, I'm not happy from this thing. As in life, you always want to be happy, right? You don't always be happy, but you want to go through the emotions. So if you don't feel happy about after, even if you end the day in a red, but you build all the good habits, but you're happy, right? That right there is satisfaction. Okay, yeah, follow my rules. I'm happy, man. I'm satisfied. I'm not happy, but I'm satisfied. I'm satisfied innerly, right? If you guys want to go on a red day, green day, but you didn't follow your rules, that day should be a red day for you because you didn't follow your rules. You didn't make good habits because your habits are actually making you money. Every time you follow your rules, that's where you see more wins coming in instead of losses. Every time you break your rule, you see losses happening, right? So that's why you guys want to be very, saying, how do I say in English? Very cautious, right, in psychology, because as I said, I've made an announcement about it as well. Your habits are actually making you money instead of if you're, what I'm saying, instead of you just clicking random buttons. Your habits are the one that are actually making you money, right? I'm ranting right now, but my mind right now is not generating. Right, let my mind generate real quick. But as I said, damn, I just fucking forgot. How did I forget? What was I gonna talk about? But as I said, that's why I'm talking about building a satisfaction from building good habits, right? If you don't if you don't get satisfaction from following your rules, you're gonna be like, I didn't follow my rules. You know what I'm saying? This right over here is not my setup. Let me take it. Eventually, that setup, that right there, you're eventually marketing gonna help you because of that. You know why? Marketing gonna help you because there you're not being disciplined. So marketing gonna be like, oh yeah, now you took that. Once you took that loss or that win, you're gonna feel bad, right? You're gonna be like, okay, market is either gonna give you a harsh ass loss. And like, oh yeah, okay, I want to focus on good habits, right? Eventually, get it back up. Eventually, you get euphoria. What was it called? Euphoria. And eventually don't build good habits again. You break your rules again, right? Eventually, go back down. They go back up, right? Because once it goes back down, you're like, oh yeah, I'm humble. Okay, let me focus on the good habits because habits are actually making me money, right? But you never want to get in a point where you're constantly breaking your rules. You want to get like, because I'm saying, even me, last week I broke my rules 4 times. I lost 4 trades, right? Like your habits are actually that make you money, right? I'm still up 18 RR. Like to me, I focus on the long term. That to me, the losses don't affect me, but the habits are actually the one making you money, right? Not your fucking bullshit emotions. But yeah, this trade chat we cannot take it simply because that's in 2 RR here to the initial take profit. So it's gonna stay on the sidelines until the market gives me a good entry here. I mean, market could push all the way back up. It was an excellent entry, but yeah, I don't look like it. Whoa. Oh, that was the why I'm tweaking, bro. I was like, yo, how's a both the candle bullish? Marcus Aurelius. Marcus Aurelius. Marcus Aurelius. Jupiter. Zimbabwe. Zay. I feel some sort of emotion over here, yeah, because I got off guard, man. I was fucking doing some random shit. That's why I feel some emotion around here for some reason. Yeah, because I was fucking not concentrating on the fucking chart and I was looking at something. Like, cause you guys, you know, the course industry is very hectic because even me, right? If I want to sell a course, the only way I could actually get actual valuable, people who can become actually profitable, people who actually want to become profitable usually pay up for a course, right? Because oh yeah, I'm paying for my money, I must fucking use it in the right way, right? That's the only way to actually help people. So that's why they sell courses, right? If they were to do it for free, you want to be able to, what I'm saying, first of all, get trusted loyalty customers. Second, people want to follow through. You see, literally, in my 18 free Mastermind CFT bootcamp is one of the best bootcamps out there. Guess what happens? The first video gets a couple hundred views. Second video just slows down, right? That's why when it's paid, people are like, okay, they watch until they finish the whole shit because they paid for it, right? That means, okay, I used my hard-earned money, so I must get it to use. So that's enough for that topic, but that's why you guys, want to be having that type of, that's what they do that, I mean, I may do a mentorship, but you never know. I may do it like next year, probably never, whenever, right? Never know, because markets eventually, if they focus on the process, whatever life takes us, you know what I'm saying? Oh, it was on, bro. Oh wait, it's got no charge, dog. Yes. Charge. You got no charge, man. And bro, chat, one thing I gotta clarify to you guys. When people say like, oh, I'm a gold Saxman trader or I'm a BlackRock trader or whatever what trader you are, bro, there's no difference between them and you. Because they know damn well that indicators don't actually work. They go based on the market makers, right? They go based on the market makers pattern, basically market paradigm, right? That's why it's important for you guys to keep that in mind as well. And there's no difference between you and a Goldman Sachs trader, right? There's no difference. You could have a support resistance trader, you could have a ST trader, you're still both gonna make same profits, right? You're not gonna be any difference between the other, right? He just went and spent 4 years on a journey on a college just to get accepted as a Goldman Sachs trader. Eventually, there's no difference between you and him, right? There's no difference. But he actually spent money to get in there, right? How did he spend money? The college, right? Harvard University, you guys spent a lot of money. So, shit. If you want to do that, you're gonna do that, bro. Just to end up the same, but even with that, it does not make a difference between you and him. There's no difference. What is he doing? What are you doing? What's the difference? What's the difference between you and him? You both are drawing lines. You both are drawing circles. You both not circles. I mean, you both are drawing lines. You both are drawing boxes. Those boxes, those lines are making you money. It's not the oh my Goldman Sachs trader, so no insights. Bro, that's not that's right over there. That's bullshit, right? At the end of the day, you both are drawing lines. You both are drawing circles. You both are drawing lines and boxes. You're making money from it, right? It's nothing special about being a trader. It's nothing special because that's why you guys fanatize trading so much that oh yeah, I'm a trader. I'm such a cool person. I'm above average. But you guys know damn well you're below average most of the time. At the beginning, you're below average. You know how dumb you are. You're like, oh damn, I'm dumb as fuck. What the fuck? You know what I'm saying? Eventually you find out, be like, okay, I could be smarter. Okay, let me fix this point. Okay, I'm struggling with discipline. Okay, fix my discipline. Okay, I'm struggling with this. Okay, let me build good habits on everything. Eventually scales up, right? Eventually becomes smarter. But trust me, bro, there's no difference between us and a Goldman Sachs trader, bro. At the end of the day, even if they have the best technical analysis, we're still gonna have this most of the time have the same bias, same shorting. They just have a higher time. They just have a higher time for stop loss. We don't have a higher time for stop loss. We're more riskier, right? They spend what? They spend 8 years on a college degree, on a Harvard University, which they gotta pay even more. Right? So now they're in debt just to get into Goldman Sachs. And the Goldman Sachs, damn well they know that. You know what I'm saying? How to say we only hire employees that are in the Harvard University, that are into trading, right? Into the financial markets. Damn well they're fucking dumb. Like, you know what I'm saying, let's just say there's a Goldman Sachs trader and me, right? And we make the same profit. Let's just say I make 30 million, he makes 30 million, right? We both make the same duration. What's the difference between me and him? Right? What's the difference between me and him? It took me, guess what? It took me less time, right? It took him more time because he had to go spend 8 years in college. He had to spend 8 years in Harvard University. He was in debt, right? All I had to do, I just spent 4, 5, 6 years learning really good habits. But after the 8 years of college, he has to go and now get right straight into trading. Now he has to go build habits. He has to go through the struggle. Guess what? If you go through the struggle, the what do we call it? The Goldman Sachs, like, oh yeah, this guy's not showing improvement. I'm gonna fire his ass. Oh no, oh you just lost your whole job. You're finished. But guess what? Let's just say he doesn't get fired. He just gets up to the top. Guess what? We still have the same capital, right? But he spent way more time. He spent 8 years of learning. I spent 6 years of just doing the markets. And eventually, he spent another 4 years to get in here. But that time, I'm at like 6 years. He's at like what 13 years, right? But eventually, what I'm making more money than him in less time. We make the same amount. I made it in less time, so I have way more advantage. The next couple of years, like making like what 100 million. I could rug people. I could rug you guys. I could scam you guys. Yo, buy this coin, buy this coin. And eventually, that right when you guys buy it, sell that shit. Bro, literally, my brother said, "Yo, do that to your community." I was like, "Yo, you tripping out, bro." There's one guy, his dumbass gave me a business idea. Like, "Yo, go run your own community." I was like, "Yo, you tripping out, bro." He was like, he was willing to pay me, but like, bro, how the fuck are you gonna rug people? How are you gonna rug only 100 people, bro? That's like nobody. You know what I'm saying? Eventually, bro, I had to befriend him, bro. I couldn't be his friend, man. Cause like me, I'm a personally guy. I'm like me personally. My ancestors were very loyal. I'm very loyal as well. The female to the thing I'm doing, right? Recently, I've not been loyalty to my, focus on good habits, but we're back on track. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, that's why you guys gotta. There's no difference between you, man, because they people like usually they have a perspective on you. So if you make $30,000 a month, I mean 30,000 not a month. I mean, you make like what 30,000 in a year, they can think like, oh, you a fucking dickhead. If you make like 60,000 a year, oh, you're all right. If you make 100,000, okay, you're smart, right? People have perspective on you, right? And same to the traders, right? Okay, there's a guy that's a trader, there's a support and resistance trader. Oh, this guy's a Goldman Sachs trader. Get your ass on somewhere, man. That only sells down people, man. Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum assalam, my boy Tahir Mustafa. My Tahir Mustafa. كيف حالك? Alhamdulillah. How about you, my boy? How do I say? Yeah, I think I responded correctly. I'll let Monday PA be done. Tomorrow will execute. Hopefully. Did you have a trade here today or no, brother? My boy Chris G. Did you take this trade right over here, or you didn't, my man? Let me know, man. What is Monday PA, bro? Hold up. Chat, what's PA? Oh, price action. Oh shit. Chat, what's IPDA? I've been hearing like about ICT saying IPDA, IPDA. Oh, are you an IPDA trader? What the fuck you mean? No. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Last week price action was not good. It was, bro, my boy. It was good, man. Did you profit out of that move to the upside? Did you probably? Because I think you hit your take profit, man. They hit it. God, oh my goodness, bro. I'm to suicide with this fucking stuttering. Did you profit out of this move to the upside, bro? IPDA. I don't know what that mean though. What am I doing, bro? Oh my god, my thoughts are crazy, bro. Dang, my neck is burning, bro. Look, like my brother choked the shit out. Oh, that sounded wrong. Oh, pause. No Diddy, no Diddy, pause. We were just wrestling. He did this, right? I was like, okay, choke me. Whoa, pause, pause. I was like, let's see if I can get out the, you know, let me see if I can get out from the dangerous position. I did get out 5 times. We tried everything. It failed. Enter bank price delivery algorithm, bro. Get the shit out of here, man. What is that? What is that, bro? Banks don't control the market, man. Wait, chat. You guys don't understand why. You guys don't understand who controls the market. The bank does not control the market. It says interbank price delivery algorithm. That's fucking false, bro. Banks, you gotta go look at the banks. Look at how much banks make. In the yearly, they're losing money. Most of the banks are losing money, right? In the market, they're losing money. They're not even making a 18%. They're making about 8 to 15% gain max a year. That's the best they do, right? If you make what 6% a month, you're making more than the banks, right? It's in a percentage wise, and money wise probably not, but percentage wise, you're making fucking a lot more than them, right? The people who control the markets are the Rothschild family, or the 12th, biggest family in the world that has been alive for the past 1,000 here or 2,000 here. Which the Rothschild family is alive. The Rothschilds family is a Jewish family, right? Which they're considered to be gifted, which they're not gifted, but what I'm saying, they use that as an advantage, right? What I'm saying, they use interest as an advantage, pornography as an advantage, right? So that's how they're very wealthy. Pornography is worth by Jewish people. Interest or rates are owned by interest rates, or they're opened by Jews, right? That's why they're so rich. But guess what? They use that as advantage like a long time ago for 1,000 here. So that's why their family is so rich. I don't understand why EU should go lower. I'll let it go. It's the fourth week of the month, man. Fourth week of the month needs to close in a fair price. So as I said, man, fourth week needs to close in a fair price. So fourth week usually going to be a retracement, and the monthly time frame. If you go to the weekly, monthly had a big expansion to the upside and downside, so we need to close at a fair price. Our take profit guy, Matt, chat, we're done for the day. But see, this is what ICT call IPD and UX of the meeting. Oh yeah, I know. Thank you for the meeting, brother. And my boy Chris G, there's a narrative, man. Chris G, don't go based out of your feet. Right now, it looks like you're going based out of your emotions. You're going based out of what you think. Let that ego go. Stop that ego. Go based out the market wants to do, not your emotions. All right, go based out the market, not you. Eventually, market is always gonna win. You're never gonna win. You're never gonna beat the market, right? Because either if you can't beat them, join them. Right? But yeah, our trade successful right over here. I'm looking for a push down all down here. I'm looking for a push down all to this 1.4 all down here, but that probably happened tomorrow because today this new situation does not look that good, man. This new situation looks like it's gonna struggling right over here. You can see it's pushed back up. It could definitely expand back to the downside. But those who took a long here, you got wrecked simply because I'm saying you You gotta look at your high time frame. You gotta look at your technical analysis, right? Why are you looking for longs here? I don't see nothing that says here you should be looking for a long, right? Me personally, right? But yeah, buys perfect. We had a new situation. Like I said, new situation happens at 8 a.m. right over here. Tapped it and eventually calmed to the downside. But this offer is less than 2 RR, so I did not even take it. So yeah, keep that in mind too as well, chat. 1.6 RR, man. I can't take that shit. Piece of shit. Piece of shit. But all over here, we're gonna go for a 11 RR right over here. But, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna go all the way down here as a 11 RR. Which I feel like tomorrow should offer that, but today it's probably not gonna offer it because I had a 2 RR to initial take profit, so I'm not gonna take the trade. So I did not take the trade. So I proceeded to not take the trade because of not a 2 RR due to my rules. It prevented me from taking a trade, which is considered to be a lower probability because my rules are not there. Everything was there, the timing of the purge, everything except RR. What is the narrative to this sell? The narrative is range high got purged. Actually, go to a hard time frame, right? We're the 4th week of the month, right? 4th week of the month. So 4th week needs to close on a fair price. If I should like indicate right over here, the indicator of the higher time frame. This right over here is the monthly range, right? Market needs to close a fair price. This is a big ass range. Market did a big ass candle to the upside. So market needs to close on a fair price. Last week, look. Big ass range, right? Last month. First candle, second candle, third candle, fourth candle, we need to retrace. So the market needs to retrace to a fair price. Guess what the market did? Push all down here. Same thing is happening right over here as well, right? As I said in my market forecast, I'm looking for a 4th week to be expansion, but hey, you gotta have the ability to adapt, right? You gotta have the ability to adapt. So I'm looking for a 4th week retracement of the month, as well as we have a weekly CRT to the downside. We have another weekly CRT to the downside. We have a daily CRT to the downside. We have another CRT to the downside. We have a daily ERL to IRL. We have a daily range when premiums you want to sell, as well as we have a daily range to the upside. You know, I'll draw a look at the daily range over here. The weekly CRT to the downside, upside to right over here. But that weekly CRT to the upside is not enough. We have way more near to the downside to the rather than to the upside, and that's what I have. And go to the 4-hour time frame for the market narrative. The narrative, we have a continuation. If I'm bearish, I want a position or learn session to make the high of the day, not the low of the day. In this case, you make the high of the day. As well as I have a range high got purchased. We go to the range low. We have a we made a daily range here. Super low, super high, stable low. Market made a daily range. We're automatically in the premium, so you want to sell. Eventually, once the premium get tapped because if this daily range is bearish, our draw becomes daily range low right over here, right? And that's what led us to look for a short. We did have an entry here, but I did not take it simply because of the RR, right? But you guys know, new continuation happens starting from 8 a.m. 8 a.m. starts the new continuation because the London lunch closes at 7 a.m. candle, right? So around the 7 a.m. candle closes, the London lunch is no longer there. It's primarily the New York situation, the New York candle. Because see, the people who long GU got wrecked simply because you gotta check your technical analysis, man. People are looking for longs right now today. Hey, I'm not gonna go against you, okay? But you may want to double check your analysis, paralysis, or if you have, double check and see if you're actually correct. Like, keep in mind, you could definitely be wrong. I could definitely be wrong. Last week, our bias, I think it was which day was it? On Friday, our bias was wrong, right? But We're still bullish. We're still correct. You can see market still went up to the upside. Right? We were wrong. Market still pushed up. Right? We had an entry here on this day. We had an entry all the way down here. All the way here. Right? Like I said, guess what? We actually the whole week were correct, but just our execution on the ass. Right? Our box was correct. But that 2 weeks ago, our buy the first day actually fuck that shit. I'm not gonna go back there. But your buys could be wrong. You could never have a 100% strike rate. But for daily buys, it should be very easy, right? I have a 90% strike rate for my daily buys. For my execution, 40% and a 22 RR. So it's two different things, man. Two different complete things. Zay. Let's get my boy Parco. Welcome to the family, man. Welcome to Long Johnson's family. Welcome, welcome. My boy G is pushing down, boy. G, calm down, man. Chat, right when it goes below this candle right over here, right when it goes below this low, we should get a huge expansion, bro. We should get a huge expansion because this low right over here is the higher time frame low, which is the you see the daily low, the weekly, the 4 hour low, the weekly low, the daily low, and the weekly low, right? But yeah, chat. Let's see what the market gives us here, man. We're done for the day. I've been looking at the stream right now if you guys want me to. You guys got any question? Let me know. Let me know right now. Let me know. Oh my god, I be flexing too much, bro. I don't got no muscle though. I do got big muscles. I got big guns. I got big guns. I got big guns. Big gun chat. I got a 13.5-inch arms, bro. I have a 76 reach. Okay? I can reach you from all over. If I were to jab you, I'll hit you before you can hit me. I'm not gonna fight you guys though. You know why I'm not gonna fight you guys? Because you guys are my family. I don't fight family people. The ops, man, these girls, man, these girls can have it. Girls, if they want to fight, man, I got you, man. Give me that number. If you lose, it ain't gonna look good for you, man. I'm gonna give you straight, hard back shots. And on that, there's gonna be no Diddy because you're female. Right? All right, let me stop doing that, okay? Inappropriate. 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 Okay. Mine is tweaking, bro. Chat, my mind is tweaking, dog. I'm thinking about something devious. Okay, let me stop. Let me stop. Let me stop. Holy, mine is so gay, bro. Not gay, me. It's so powerful. Gotta control my thoughts. I don't not negotiate with my thoughts. Thinking of something, I'm gonna think about it. If it's something bad, I don't negotiate with it. Fuck with it. I'm gonna let it control me. I guess wondering what was the thought, Taki? Thought was I don't know. I got Hey, Nancy Pelosi, hey, he just says in 2021, Nancy Pelosi was asked if the Congress should ban. Do it again. In 2021, Nancy Pelosi was asked if the Congress should be banned from trading stocks. Her response was no. This is a free market. While serving 38 years in Congress with an annual salary of $223,000, she increased her net worth to an estimated 263 million from trading stocks. I'm proud of her. She's one of the best traders. That's how you know she's a good trader. Yes, she may have insider info. Yes, she may know stuff before we do. Yes, yes, yes. But guess what? Gotta give it to her. Game is game. Game is game. She may know what's happening around Japan. She may know what's happening around the specific stock. She may know, okay, there's a yearly return of the stock. Okay, this is how Nvidia doing this perfect day. Okay, we have let's talk a rip up. Let me get a insider entry into that trade. Boom. Shout out to her. She's a G. Sometimes I'm gonna envy, but today I'm not gonna envy against her. You know why? Game is game. Huh? If the daily candle closes with that rejection, does it mean tomorrow will be a bearish too? What do you mean? Daily candle closes with that rejection. Tomorrow with I don't know, man. We're gonna adapt, man. I can't tell you tomorrow, man. I can only tell you today. I know what's gonna happen today, but not tomorrow because tomorrow's not guaranteed. I may die today. Everybody may shoot me, man. They'd be like, yo, Tiger, you a fucking crackhead. Does and be like, yo, what the fuck, man? What the fuck you doing? You know what I'm saying, chat? I may die today. I don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. I'm present. You're gonna live in a present momente. I told you guys, man, we should see a big Long Johnson candle after this low gets broken. Guess what happens? Yes, I know I'm the market maker. Yes, I know I'm the market maker. Don't ride me. I know that I'm a market maker, but you don't have to ride, right? But we had an expansion, retracement, expansion, reversal, retracement, expansion. Don't ride me, okay? Don't ride me. Yo, what? Okay, let me stop. Stop glazing me. Oh, let it be. That's how you be. Don't say Pelosi. And in Michael Saylor's strategies, bought another 220,000 worth 1.99 billion, which is nothing. Nothing. He just bought one of like nothing. Tell me if it's gay without telling me if it's gay. Why? This right up here is a 5-minute market maker model as well, chat. 5-minute market maker model. Like, because bro, chat, you guys don't know that CRT is a market maker model. It's the actual market maker model, man. You guys are bragging about market makers model, man. Brag about CRT, man. You guys know that I'm the creator of CRT. I'm the creator of markets. I created the market with no funds. Let me stop fucking doing it, okay? I'm about to crash out, man. Don't say Pelosi. Oh, Okay, new situation already happened, chat. If it goes back up, it's already considered to be a new situation. So yeah, but chat, I can't take this trade, man. I couldn't take. Like I say, the reason I didn't take this trade simply, chat, because of the less than 2 RR. You guys know I can't take less than 2 RR, man. Just know this. Just know this long time, man. Unsay Pelosi. CRT is not yet in my veins. I can't wait to spit it and swallow it. Spit and swallow CRT. Yo, what do you mean by that, bro? You gotta say no D or pause, bro. What did you just say? I can't wait to spit and swallow it. Yo, that right there is kinda sus, bro. Calm, bro. Calm down, dog. That's kinda sus, bro. Yo, wait on that, man. Don't say spit. Up to? No, that's kinda nasty, dog. Yo. Oh, I get what you mean. I get what you mean. Like you gotta, everything you spit, it can be, be around all your veins. That's kind of gay though. He's a it. Oh, it's what you say. Yeah, I'm not gonna even comment on it. But yeah, I'm just joking with you, my boy. I'm joking with you, my boy. It's crazy. I'm just joking. Okay, don't get it personal. I know what you mean. Like, I'm saying when you spit, because you have veins, or your veins are running down your fucking. That's how I am serious with CRT. No homo. Hell yeah, man. I'm not gonna do all that because, like, that's a little gay. I don't because with even CRT, you don't want to be valuing CRT like, oh, CRT this, CRT that, right? Because you may fuck up with the other drone liquidity, right? CRT is a type of drone liquidity. There's multiple types of drone liquidity, right? But every type of drone liquidity always revolves around one thing, CRT. So it's a dominant one, right? But yeah, man, chat, I'm done, bro. Like, no trades today, no less than 2 RR. I'm not gonna change this rule because I was thinking about changing this rule like so I can take a trade less than 2 RR. But you guys gotta keep in mind, like these targets, right? These targets right over here could definitely get hit, right? That's why my drone look is all the way down here as well, right? So, but there's gonna be cases where I will, and the greed can take over where I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna go over here and I don't give it 2 RR, right? Eventually just fuck up the 2 RR, right? That's why I want to be. Because if with this type of way I'm doing it, I'm not greedy at all. I'm not greedy. You see, if I were to be greedy, I would have entered this trade, right? So I'm not greedy, right? I have to focus on the good habits. I'll print my t-shirt with CRT on it, low. I need to work harder, man. Hell yeah, man. Just don't get off guard, man. Focus on two things. Building good habits. That means being disciplined, being patient, following everything, not breaking your rules, and being satisfied from building good habits. Being satisfied, okay, hey, I took a loss, but I followed my rules. I'm happy. Right now, I'm not that you're happy. I'm satisfied, right? Satisfaction can be innerly, like you're in your inner, like truly, you're okay, I'm happy because I took the trade, right? Because a win should not, what I'm saying, excite you. A loss should not phase you. A miss trade should not concern you, right? This not right here is not even missing trade. I just did not take it because they're not my rules. I have to focus on building good habits, right? And my rule says not getting a trade, I'm not gonna get a trade, right? This right here is not a missing trade. This trade does not excite me at all. Nor does it phase me, right? But yeah, man. I'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys, my in my YouTube videos. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. See you guys tomorrow at 8 a.m., 8:30 or something like that, whatever time, right? But before I close the stream, let me go see something. Let me go see the Forex Factory right here. What do we have tomorrow? No news? Motherfucker. So Monday, no news. Tuesday, no news. Wednesday, no news. Thursday news day. Okay. Peace out, bro. Peace out, my boy Trader. Peace out, everybody, man. I'll see you guys later, chat.